So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Alok Industries. So today you can see it has given a reversal from the levels which we have discussed in our previous videos. So mainly when I discuss about technicals in my videos, I focus on the moving averages, that is 20 EMA as well as 50 EMA as well as pivot points. So these are the three things that I mainly focus on, and the stocks also respect that particular levels. So when you see today also it has respected that moving averages and it has given a reversal. So how to identify whether not only this particular stock is giving movement, so you need to observe the traded as well as deliverable quantity that comes under the volume analysis, which will help a lot. Okay, so not 100% but minimum 70 to 80% it will give you a confirmation. So today if you see the volume analysis also, you can see that the traded quantity is negligible and the deliverable quantity is more. So the operators have entered, so that's why I told you should not do any sort of selling even if you're holding this particular stock, since there is nothing wrong with the management nor the results nor anything. The only thing is that the operators game. So that's why, so whenever they exit we should not do any sort of selling. So today you can see how well they have entered. Okay, so now we'll see the next possible levels and also we'll focus on the volume so that you will have an idea in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so today you can see the operators entered at 34.40. Okay, after hitting the lower circuit itself, you can see a reversal, that is the bounce back with the heavy volumes. So that is what the operators generally do. So if panic investors are there, if they exit at that particular highest point, okay, 38 rupees, again they enter at 34 and they will earn good amount of profit. So it depends upon you, what are you doing, whether you're doing trading or whether you are investing for long term. So I suggest that you should not do any sort of selling, because if you're doing selling, it is advantageous to them. So they are getting the profit and we are booking the losses, so that should be neglected or avoided. So think for long term perspective and definitely you can hold, because in short term you can see Alok Industries has given a very good returns, whether it may be for traders or whether it may be for investors as well. So definitely don't do any sort of selling, especially to benefit the operators. So that is what I want to convey. So today you can see the volume as well, it was very heavy. So okay, this is the operator, so they entered with the heavy quantity and you can see it has hit the upper circuit. So next levels to watch out are very interesting, so we'll see that as well. So before that we'll see the volume analysis, which was giving us an idea that the stock was completely in a reversal zone. Okay, if you see the volume analysis and if you compare it with the weekly as well as monthly averages, you can see how the traded quantity was present. So you can see almost when 51% was present, you can see traded quantity is huge. So the light blue, so this light shaded color is nothing but the traded quantity and dark blue is nothing but the deliverable quantity. So you can see, so whenever deliverable quantity is more, then only we can say that a possible reversal will happen. And today also you can see on 11th August 86.7% was there and you can see traded quantity is negligible. So everything was completely into deliverable quantity. So that's why 86.7 is not a less quantity. Okay, it's also huge. So that's why the stock also has respected the supports and has given a movement. Okay, next if you see other indicators, mainly if we focus on the relative strength index, that is RSI and money flow index, and you can see RSI is completely, we can say in mid range, that is neither in oversold nor in overbought. So we know that whenever it goes 30 below, it is called oversold. So we know that from that particular region only this particular stock has started its journey. And similarly money flow index, okay, it's in overbought, that for almost we can say which stocks which give heavy returns, money flow index will stay in overbought region. And next everything money flow in, you can see MACD signal, it is showing a crossover. So this is the, we cannot say completely we can depend on this, just for a side confirmation we can use this particular indicators. And if you see momentum of this stock, you can see the stock is technically very bullish. Okay, today it has respected the levels and it has given a very good movement. So that's why I tell mainly in my particular videos you need to focus on the levels, not on your emotions and not on operators. So if you focus more on operators and if you think we are getting losses, then definitely your mindset will be like, I need to sell this particular stock. So avoid that, live pleasantly, hold it, just leave it. Once you invest in this, just leave it and see after 1 to 2 years. Okay, so make that sort of mindset. So now we'll see the levels so that you will have an idea. Okay, if we see the Alok Industries on 1 day chart, you can see that Alok Industries current market price almost 38, so it has hit the upper circuit. If you see the 1 day chart, you can see the stock how well it was okay, started correcting. So correction was, we decided that correction will be minute, so that's what I told my previous videos, and you can see the moving averages where it has respected and it is opening at that particular regions, maybe here. So if you do back testing, you can find out that it has opened here, it has you can see opened at the pivot point, again it has opened here. So everywhere, okay, it has respected all the moving averages as well as the pivot points. That is the importance and essence of that. So now you can see immediate resistances are 39, and after that it will be free for its movement, and definitely it should go to its next levels, that is near 50s. So that should be achieved if operators, okay, operators come and they exit, that is their hobby. So but we should not do, we should not panic. So that is one main thing. So definitely we should hold for long term. So if you see after 39 or 40 level it breaks, then definitely the stock is having full free movement and definitely it will reach the 50 plus levels. Okay, if you see in 1 week chart as well, you can see the stock has shown correction in between. We all know that later it has gone little bit up, but now you can see little correction has come, but now it has taken a very good support. And if you see the money flow index as well, it is completely in mid range, so it should go to the overbought region. So once if we increase the time frame and if we go to 1 week and 1 month, then only we can say that once it reaches the overbought region, then only correction comes. So we can say more journey is there for Alok. So definitely it should reach its next levels. So if everything goes well and Nifty also supports, so Nifty nothing to do with Nifty, even Nifty falls or Nifty rises, these type of stocks always have their movement itself, because it completely depends upon the operator. So focus on the level. So next immediate resistances are 40 as well as 42, so that should be the next levels to watch. Okay, so people are invested can definitely hold this particular stock and don't do any sort of selling. So this is all about Alok. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So also watch the previous videos as well, where I discussed interesting stocks, mostly the less undervalued stock itself. So watch those as well so that you'll have an idea. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.